the Gotrax GXL V2 electric scooter. I'm just going to quickly show you the controls. This is your accelerator. However, if you hold it down for 10 seconds, then it puts it into cruise control, and that's not just at top speed. You've got your bell so you don't scare anyone when you pass, and finally, this thing on the left is your brake. The GXL V2 has a respectable top speed at 15 miles per hour or 24 kilometers an hour for my fellow Canadians. I hope you're able to appreciate a few of these top speed flybys so you can get an idea of how fast this electric scooter feels. Later in the video, I'll have a 30-second-ish acceleration time and top speed run, which I record one-handed. That will give you a nice POV of what it's like to ride the electric scooter for a little bit. This electric scooter does just fine on grass or gravel, although I would avoid mud because that's a mess you don't want to have to deal with. You'll want to check out my video on how to assemble and adjust the brakes because you don't want to get caught with your pants down when you're going downhill, especially with pedestrians and dogs meeting you in that bend at the bottom without any warning. I want to show you how quickly the scooter can make it uphill at this much of an incline without taking a run at it. As you can see, it's quite slow compared to our flyby. Now here's a comparison of making it up the same incline but first hitting top speed before doing so. I figured I'll picture in picture here so you can see real time the difference it makes. And now I'm going to show you how quickly you can get this electric scooter to 15 miles per hour. We had to start at 6 miles per hour because I had no choice but to record this one-handed, so it's a bit of a rolling start. Now let's put some music on while you enjoy the POV full speed part of this video. It might look a little slow, but trust me, it feels a lot faster in person. And then because I like to have fun, I found a tight corner to do a top speed turn on. This was a lot of fun, a lot more fun in looks. It probably felt more like this. According to the Gotrax website, this electric scooter will take you up to 12 miles or roughly 19 kilometers and can handle up to 220 pounds of weight. In the real world, this trail I found that is 9.3 kilometers there and back, or 5.7 miles as shown on the map here, was the absolute maximum that I was able to ride. Granted, there's a decent amount of uphill and downhill. For the most part, this trail is quite straight. I quite often ride this exact trail, and even with always kick assisting on any amount of sizable uphill, I still end my ride with a flashing battery, meaning it's about to die. At 185 pounds, I'm well under the 220 pound max rider weight, so these figures were a little bit disappointing for me. I would be lying though if I said I cared. The amount of endless fun this electric scooter has provided me cannot be put into words. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Seriously, it means a lot, and it's the only way you'll know when I review new awesome things.